How to fix Trust Wallet not showing balance. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to land on the official website, Trust Wallet. Your wallet may not be displaying a balance for a few different reasons. The very first thing to do here when you land on their page is to look for their customer service team or look for their support. So all you have to do is to scroll down till you see the support right here and tap this contact us. Once you tap this, it will take you directly to another page where you can see a Submit a Ticket button. Here, what you're going to do is to locate that Submit a Ticket button and then tap this one. It will take you again to another page where you can see the following information. The first thing to do here is to enter your email address, which is the email address that you use on your Trust Wallet account. Second is you have to enter the subject here, for example, balance not showing. After this, you may proceed to environment. So all you have to do is to click this arrow facing down and select which one. For example, mobile application. And then choose the coin or token. Actually, everything is up to you. But for this tutorial, let me choose a Bitcoin. So all you have to do is to search for the token or coin which you are having problem with. Now for issue type, you just have to click this and you have to locate this wallet balance or asset issues, missing logos, prices, NFT display, and etc. Now you may proceed with the subcategory here. So all you have to do is to click this arrow facing down and then here you have to locate this missing tokens, balance decrease. Now, for the description, you must be very specific with your concern and issue here. For example, I am having issues with my balance not displaying on my Trust wallet. Please do help me. And then for attach a file, you can attach a file here that shows a proof that you're having or you're dealing with this kind of problem. Click I'm not a robot and then submit. Wait for the customer service team to respond and follow their instruction. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.